How to check if a $100 bill is real. The U.S. Treasury uses many security features to prevent counterfeiting. They have to. Almost $9 million in counterfeit bills are in circulation in the U.S. About every decade, the U.S. $100 bill is redesigned, so the features you check for will depend on the date the bill was issued. Series 2009 bills and later have more security features to check. The U.S. $100 bill features Benjamin Franklin's portrait on the front and Independence Hall on the back. Checking older bills pre-Series 2009. Check the date. The newest $100 bills are Series 2009 bills, and they have many different security features. Older bills are being phased out of circulation to prevent counterfeiters from fooling people. The average $100 bill stay in circulation for 7 years. Accordingly, most of the older bills should be out of circulation by now. Nevertheless, you might have one or more stored at home that you want to check. Feel the bill. U.S. currency has a distinctive feel. The bills are printed on cotton and linen, not paper. Also, bills should have slightly raised ink, which is a feature of the printing process. Using touch is not foolproof, however. The most successful counterfeiters will bleach real money and then print over it. Nevertheless, counterfeiters struggle to reproduce the raised printing, so feeling the bill is a good first step. Look for the security thread. A $100 bill printed after 1990 should have a security thread on the left-hand side that is only visible when you hold the bill up to the light. The words USA and 100 should alternate on the thread. If you hold the bill up to UV light, then the thread glows pink. Check microprinting. Older bills used microprinting as a security feature. Use a magnifying glass to check for microprinting, which will appear in different spots depending on the year the bill was issued. For example, in $100 bills issued between 1990 to 1996, the words "The United States of America" should appear on the outer edge of the portrait oval. 5. For bills issued between 1996 to 2013, USA 100 should appear in the numeral 100 on the lower left-hand corner. You should also see "The United States of America" in the left lapel of Franklin's coat. 6. Look for color-shifting ink. $100 bills issued between 1996 to 2013 employ color-shifting ink. Tilt the note in the light and look in the lower right-hand corner. The numeral 100 should change from green to black. Find the watermark portrait. Bills printed after 1996 have a watermark portrait of Benjamin Franklin in the blank space at the right-hand side. The image should be very faint but visible from either side. Pay attention to blurry borders. Real bills should have clear, sharp lines, which are very hard for counterfeiters to reproduce. If you see blurry printing or text, then you are probably dealing with a counterfeit. Use a counterfeit money detection pen. This pen is sold at Amazon and costs $5. It checks for common chemicals used in counterfeits. However, fraudsters have gotten wise and no longer use the chemicals, so the pen isn't foolproof. Nevertheless, you can now buy a counterfeit detection pen that has a UV light built into the cap and costs under $10. Compare it with another bill. No special security features were used on $100 bills printed before 1990. Accordingly, the best way to check its authenticity is to compare it to another $100. You can also visit the U.S. currency website and find images of older $100 bills.